how to add Soundboard to Discord mobile. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you're going to do is you're just simply going to log into your Discord account on your mobile device. So you're just simply going to open discord.com on your browser. Any browser, doesn't really matter. And you're going to enable your desktop site or desktop mode over here to be able to simulate that we're on a desktop, but we're on a mobile as you can see here. So after this one, you're just simply going to open your server and click on our drop down over here. Click on server settings, and now over here on the left side, you should then be able to see our server. So simply click on Soundboard. There we go. And just simply upload any sound that you want. So over here, so you're just simply going to click on browse over here, and you're going to be able to either record or you could actually pick from your files over here. So there are many files that you could have. So simply select the specific sound that you want to have on your soundboard, give it a name, give it an emoji, and simply click on upload, and you should then be able to have a soundboard on your Discord on your mobile. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.